If you've ever snapped a blurry photo, stumbled upon an old picture that deserves a fresh look, or had a shot that just didn't have the sharpness and clarity you wanted, you're in the right place. One of the top AI photo enhancement tools available today is for DDIG AI Photo Enhancer, and it does the job beautifully. With just one click, you can transform low-resolution images into stunning high-resolution versions. Look at the result of these photos. This AI-powered enhancer can also restore old photos and create high-definition portraits using advanced algorithms. Now, let me walk you through the step-by-step process of using it.
Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel.
First, download and install the software. You'll find the link in the description. After opening, you will see a clean user-friendly interface. First, we will click on AI Enhancer. After clicking on AI Enhancer, you will see 4 options here: Video Enhancer, Photo Enhancer, Video Colorizer, Photo Colorizer. Since today our topic is on Photo Enhancer, we will click on Get Started button. Click on the Add Photos button and choose the image you want to enhance. After the image is loaded, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Here in the right panel in the AI Models section, you will see 3 models: General Model, Face Model, and Denoise Model. Let's try the Face Model for this image. Now, select your desired output resolution. Next, in AI Enhance category, you can choose either Soften or Sharpen. After that, if you are working on bulk images, you will click on the Apply to All Photos button so that we get the result of all the photos according to our settings. Finally, click on Enhance button and it will start the processing immediately. In a few minutes, it will complete the process. The difference is clear. You can see that the image quality has improved a lot. The face looks much clearer and sharper in the image. Here, you can clearly feel the difference between before and after. Now let's try another image and see what kind of results the software provides this time. Click on the Add button and select the photo you want to enhance. Now, we can try the General Model, which enhances the overall sharpness, brightness, and vibrancy of our image. Leave all other settings as they are, and click the Enhance button. In a short time it will complete the processing. And look at the result. Here you can see the clear difference between 2 images. It has made low-quality blur photo very clear and vibrant. Lastly, there's a Denoise model, which is especially useful for cleaning up grainy or noisy images. This model smooths out the noise while keeping important details intact. After a while, here is the output, which is very impressive. You can see that it has cleared up our noisy image a lot. The difference can be clearly felt. To save this image, click on the Save button. If you're also dealing with damaged media, like corrupted photos, videos, documents, or even audio files, its file repair tools are designed to recover and restore those files with just a few clicks. I must say, for DDIG AI Photo Enhancer is an exceptional all-in-one photo quality enhancement program that can upscale low-resolution images to the max with 4K with ease. This tool gives your valuable images a new life through detail sharpness, colorizing, unblurring, pixel increase, and more. The download link is available in the video description, so must check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.